everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new to my channel, then hello, my name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. And if you have been already watching my channel, you already know what my channel is all about. It's mostly about shopping reviews, some DIYs, and if something new I have tried, then definitely I have included in my videos. And if I'm trying something for the first time or I visited somewhere, then I have definitely shared with you guys. So very recently, after a very long time, I visited IKEA and I got few products, and they were so good. So I'm just gonna talk about those products and also about little bit about here and there about IKEA, because I think it's available in India only two places, which is Hyderabad and Mumbai. In Navi Mumbai, it is like recently they have come up, and it was not available before. So I thought why not to share with you guys some interesting facts about IKEA, and what should be done, what shouldn't be brought, and some pros and cons. So if you really wanted to know what my video is all about and what I've purchased and what was my take on that, then please keep watching till the end of the video, because I hope this will be a little helpful. And at the same time, you can order your products like furnitures, chest, drawers, table, something big. You can definitely go ahead and purchase that online, because obviously offline it's not possible that you order big products online, and I don't think it's also a good idea. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. And before we get into the video, I would definitely request you guys to please do subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because that will be a little glimpse of what my channel is about, what I've uploaded and what I am going to upload, and also on the live updates as well. So that will keep you a little tuned to my channel and my live updates as well. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. If you are wondering about the background wall paintings, then these are the paintings that I got from Nagpur. So these are not something that I got online, so I won't be able to actually give you the link or anything regarding that. So I'm just going to shift myself a little here, because I have all the products right here that I'm going to show one by one. So the first thing that I would love to draw your attention is towards the lip color. Now very recently I uploaded a video about my nude lip colors, top 10, and I think this was one among them. I am in the shade Tan Fan, and this is from Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick. So this is something that I am wearing today, and the shade number is 03 Tan Fan. The color is exactly what is there in the bottle, so I really love this. This is one of the nudist shade, kind of plump, and I love this as well. Now if you wanted to know that which eyeshadow, like little shimmer eyeshadow that I have used, so I have used the Angel Rose eyeshadow palette, and I have used this eyeshadow palette, and the color is this one, which is a kind of shimmery. So this is a little glitch, because many of you guys do ask me on Instagram and I couldn't reply them individually, so I thought why not to reply over here. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. So the first thing, I will start with the home decor. There are a few stuffs that I got for the home decor, and few are kitchen utilities, and definitely other stuffs as well. So the first thing I would love to draw your attention towards is this beautiful lantern, and there is a huge sale going on in IKEA, and by the way, the security checks and everything is super high. So I think it takes around 15 to 20 minutes to enter IKEA. I am talking about IKEA Hyderabad. Sorry, I'm not talking about Navi Mumbai, because I'm really not aware of that, because I never visited firstly. So let's just begin. Everything is very good, security check, sanitization process and everything is really good. So I really feel that it's very safe. I'm just gonna adjust my camera. So it was really safe regarding the procedure and also the security checks and everything. It was really good. So I don't think in this COVID situation it will be a really not advisable to go, but yes, everything was well sanitized. Even the food court and all other areas also were very good sanitized. So we were talking about the first product. This is a kind of lantern in white. So here it opens from here, and you can definitely light the candles over here and just put it as a lamp, probably in the evening where you wanted to relax yourself. So that is something you can definitely go ahead and do that. It has a lock system, so it is a very beautiful aesthetic kind of thing. So I think I'm going to use this as a background. Very nice aesthetic kind of thing, and this was on a sale. I got it for $2.99. The quality and build up is really good, guys. And yeah, it's a matte finish. If I get a little closer, it's a matte finish. It's a heavy duty, so it's not something light. And yeah, it's complete matte finish, and I really love this. I did check out. Now most of the products of IKEA are from China. Now I'm not a person who would support that, so I specifically kept in consideration that whatever product I would love to buy, I would definitely check where are they manufactured, or probably where are they from basically. So this is something which is from Sweden. So they have clearly mentioned made in Sweden. There are a lot of products which are made in India as well in IKEA. So we have a myth that all products are China made in IKEA. No, they are not, honestly. So you have to keep a tab and check or vigilant about what and where are they manufactured. So I really love this product. It was only for like 229, somewhere around that range only. So this was my first product. Definitely I wanted some candles, so I got this candles. It is a set of, they are unscented because I have wanted to have them for my diffuser. They are made in India. Look, it is made in India. This made in India. So it's not that all the products are made in India. They are 30 in numbers. They were super inexpensive. I think they were for like 79 only. So this is what I wanted to say. There are products in IKEA which is made in India or probably manufactured in India. So you have to be vigilant about what you are buying. That was my second product. Third product, I got two of succulents. One I have already used it, and I, being a 5'1", I don't have the reach to the height. I've actually kind of decorated it. So I got this beautiful succulents. There are a lot of such succulents, but I got this particular. This is also something which is not from China. Yeah, it is not from China because I made sure I get none of the products which are made in China. I was very specific, but I got, I think only, I'm not sure about, okay, we will talk it later part of the video. So this was a succulent which was, I think 150 something. So I got two of them. Yeah, the pair was 150 or 200 change. So they were very beautiful natural succulents. So I really love these succulents. They're very pretty as well. Now next I got some scented candles for myself, or probably for me and my hubby. So this is this is also made in India, and this is, I don't know what's the name, but this is scented candle. I'm in the flavor chocolate. So okay, this is a complete glass tub. It's a heavy one, so it's a glass tub. It retailed for $349. $349. It is made in India. Yeah. I'm surprised. There are products which are made in India. They have the customer care number, packaging date, product type, scented candle in glass. The article number is there. India, IKEA India. It's actually from Delhi. Honestly, it is from New Delhi. Made in Poland. Okay, let me zoom this up. It is made in Poland. So when I open this scented candle, they are properly sellotaped both the side. So I'm just gonna open this because I just wanted to show you. Ah, it smells divine. Okay, so this is the chocolate, not the sweet chocolate, but the dark chocolate kind of, and it is supremely scented. I love this. This is a complete glass container. It's a very heavy duty glass container, and this is beautiful scented candle, not vanilla but dark chocolate, which I love the most. So this was my second product, and fourth, I don't know, I'm not keeping a tab. It claims that it can burn till 35 hours. So I think it has a very good longevity. Yeah, 35 hours, but I never used it. I will be using it in my further days, and but it smells divine. And 349 for this big glass candle. I think it is worth. I think I didn't get it for 345. There was a discount, like no, 200 and change something it was. So that was my next product. Next I got one more scented candle, which is a kind of block. It stays for 45 hours. um, it is made in Sweden, by the way. And what else? It retailed for 181 rupees. It is manufactured in New Delhi. So it's a good bunch of block candle. It is an aroma. It's having a strawberry aroma. Yes, it's having a strawberry aroma, and it's a beautiful block candle, and I really love. This is very functional. I do not have candle at my house because I don't think the power supply is. I mean, we don't have so much power cuts, by the way. But this is very useful and functional product. And definitely for sandal I have to get one stand. So this is a transparent glass stand. It retailed for like 39 rupees. It's made in Sweden, and it is manufactured in New Delhi. Honestly, all the products that I ever came across during this time, apart from the plastics like storage, the Simba one, the plastic big containers, um, the non-stick pans, the stationery products, I think those were mostly made in China. But honestly, this is something which is I did not came across any of the product that I purchased isn't made in China. So I did not. So this was very handful. You can definitely place your candle over here and burn it safely whenever it is required. So I think that was again very affordable. Okay, so this is not visible, so I'm just gonna shift it anyway. So the next functional thing that I got is for my microwave. So I got the baking pan. This is a kind of baking pan. It's a complete glass transparent pan, which was super good. Now this has a dimension. It's made in Sweden again, IKEA of Sweden, manufactured in New Delhi. Okay, so these are also manufactured in New Delhi. So it's a complete glass transparent bowl for baking your cakes. I think that was for 189. It was on sale, by the way. It was super handy. And I got one knife also. It's a pointed knife. Always in kitchen you are always in short of sharp knives, and I thought why not to get my hands on one of them. It's very functional. It has a kind of cover to safeguard anybody who is using after you, or probably in your kitchen, those things. It's very it's very handy. I tore this, so I think I got it for 59. Made in definitely not China. I was very sure about that. And the next thing, I think I got two pillows of this. So these are the very not very stuffed in pillows, but very normalistic pillows. I got two of them, and I will definitely have a cover to it. It's just to sit your back if your back is paining, or you have any problem at your back and you want to rest your back, then definitely these pillows are super good. They are having, I think, not cotton, but these are the kind of very minute fibers. So this is again two of them. I think I got each for 300 change, which was okayish, not that affordable, but it was okayish. The last thing that I got is this the drawer cover. Like previously what we used to do is we used to have a newspaper to put in our drawers and then put in our stuff. So I thought this would be a little better because I think this is water resistant and also it's non-slippery. It has this beautiful rubberish kind of thing, so it's very good, handy, and I wanted to include them in my daily thing. I think this is made in China, but I removed the tag. I'm not sure because any of the plastic products, I don't know how I picked it up because I was actually in need of this, so I actually missed it. But please make sure you don't miss the stuff whenever you are buying from IKEA. Make sure these are not made in China, because I don't think after this pandemic, I'm not gonna anywhere support the products of China, to be very honest. So yeah, I should be sorry, but actually I wanted this, and I think very soon we will get a lot of products which is made in uh, India, which is New Delhi, because I see a lot of stuff in IKEA made in New Delhi. Yeah, I see a lot of them. So this was for 181 rupees, but they are very good quality. They are very thick, sturdy, non-slippery, and I really love this. So overall, that is all what I purchased from IKEA. It was a good experience, and I got one more product, which is a mattress protector for my king size bed. So it's like if you have Sleepwell or any kind of mattress, then you should have a layer to let your bed sheet spread really good. So I had that mattress protector, which was completely made of cotton and the foam, and I think that retailed me for 1500 change. They have amazing colors as well, like sky blue, sky pink and all. That was really good quality, but I actually used it, so I was unable to show you guys. But mattress protector, the normal mattress protector is somewhere you can get to see everywhere. I got it from IKEA because it was on a sale as well. I think I got it for, yeah, a discounted price of 700 to 800. Originally it was for 1500. So I got all the functional things that I actually needed for my home. So if you are looking for such products, they have amazing furnitures, a lot of cutleries they have. They are definitely not made in China, but yeah, a lot of storage stuffs is something that are mostly made in China. The plants that they got, pothos and all, they are also not made in China, so I think that's a good thing. I think there are a lot of products, artificial flowers, that are not made in China. So yeah, I got a lot of them which are not made in China. So it's people say all the products are made in China. No, it's a myth. Maybe the old stocks are made in China, but nowadays, since we already know, none of the products we are getting from China. So please break the myth, and also be vigilant and careful about the products that you are picking it up, because at the back of the product it's clearly mentioned where are they from. If they are made from Sweden also, they will write that they are from IKEA Sweden, but they are manufactured in a particular place. Like they're manufactured in PRC also, I got some products. So there are a lot of such products. So that's pretty much. If this video was little helpful and that will give you a little glimpse of the IKEA thing, then do take a moment to like the video, subscribe me on my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I will very soon come up with a new video, and I will see you very soon. Take care.